When an aircraft leaves the runway, the stakes for human life are absolute. In tragedies like the recent AI-171 crash, a single mechanical failure or hidden flaw can cost hundreds of lives. To build a machine that won't fail, engineers must find the safest, most efficient structural configuration, but doing that requires testing millions of possible permutations. For decades, the primary tool for this was computational fluid dynamics, or CFD. CFD calculates the physics point by point across a massive grid. The process creates a severe temporal bottleneck, taking hours or even days to simulate airflow over a single design. Historically, aerospace engineering hasn't been limited by human imagination. It has been limited by how fast computers can do the math. That bottleneck is breaking. Engineers are now inserting physics-aware machine learning to act as a high-speed filter for raw designs. Instead of calculating every single point, the neural network predicts pressure heat maps in milliseconds, achieving a 10,000-fold speedup over traditional simulations. But this goes far beyond evaluating existing shapes. At MIT, the Jarvis Challenge is actively testing how large language models can autonomously conceive and design these complex physical systems from scratch. In the field, researchers at GE Aerospace recently asked an AI app to draft a hypersonic ramjet engine. It simultaneously balanced multiple flight conditions to output a viable preliminary layout in seconds, a task that typically requires months of labor. These algorithms map geometric features directly to physical performance. By approximating the results of complex equations, they allow engineers to bypass years of iterative trial and error. When an algorithm outputs a radical new geometry, like the open fan architecture in the RISE program, you can't just build it and fly it. It has to be proven safe. To do that, teams create a digital twin, a highly accurate, real-time virtual replica of the physical engine, down to the last bolt. Before anyone cuts metal, it runs through thousands of simulated flight hours, subjected to extreme weather conditions and massive thermal stress. By forcing the design to its breaking point inside the simulation, engineers ensure it never fails in the physical sky. There is a practical catch to these AI-generated designs. They frequently produce complex, organic shapes that traditional casting and milling simply cannot forge. To bridge the gap from digital to physical, the aerospace industry relies on additive manufacturing, better known as industrial 3D printing. Look at this fuel nozzle developed by GE. The algorithms evaluated the assembly and integrated multiple distinct parts into a single 3D printed component. That reduced the total weight by 25%, while actually increasing durability. Next-generation design requires next-generation manufacturing. Engineers are now literally printing digital code into physical metal. Once the engine is fully assembled and mounted to an aircraft, the software transitions. Analytical AI used for design becomes operational AI used for survival. Modern engines carry hundreds of internal sensors. Throughout every flight, they continuously stream live data on vibration, heat, and fuel flow. At facilities like GE's Research Hub in Bengaluru, analytics-based maintenance systems process this live feed to predict component wear long before it causes a malfunction. These AI inspection technologies can detect invisible structural flaws, like the microscopic early signs of a crack, and accurately calculate the exact remaining useful life of an individual part. The modern engine is constantly speaking. Operational AI runs fast enough to translate its warnings into preventative action. The operational returns on this foresight are massive. GE reports that its predictive maintenance tools detect catastrophic failures up to 60% earlier. When Delta Airlines deployed these predictive systems across its fleet, their maintenance-related cancellations plummeted from over 5,000 a year to just 55. That is a 99% improvement. Qantas uses a similar AI platform to continuously optimize flight routes around live weather and airspace constraints, saving the airline $92 million in fuel costs annually. In a crisis, these systems provide a critical layer of diagnostic support. They provide real-time decision-making data to pilots, helping to mitigate human error during an emergency. The modern jet engine functions as a data-driven system where every flight improves the model's predictive accuracy. This cycle of constant feedback makes the skies safer with every journey.